Okay, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to record an acoustic guitar. Um, Ideally, if you have an acoustic guitar that has an out that you can plug in to an amp, ideally what you're going to want to do is use a condenser mic, like explained in the last video, to record it in addition to a direct out from the guitar into the interface. If you have an interface and everything, you're going to want to do that. It's just going to have a better sound. Just a mic is perfectly fine also, though. So basically, you're going to want to use your condenser mic on here. What I have set up down here, you can't really see it, is I have my MXL 990 mic'd on the guitar. It's basically at the opening on the body of the guitar. That's where you're going to want to put it. And basically, here, let me just show you what it sounds like. It's got a great sound, as you can see. So this is the MXL 990. I haven't actually showed you the sound on it yet. It's got a pretty decent sound. Just let me warn you right now, the guitar, I broke the top E string yesterday and I haven't changed it yet. So if it sounds a little weird because of that, just be aware, because that's why. Okay, and so also another suggestion I might have, in addition to also doing the direct out, is if you really want to get a great sound, you're going to want to also mic the neck of the guitar, in addition to the direct out and the body, and have them on 3 separate channels, obviously. It just, all the more sound, and all the more fullness and warmth to the sound of the guitar. Another thing you might want to do is record the guitar part twice. It just, once again, the same reason, gives it that much fuller of a sound. One more thing I see many people do is you never want to put the pop filter, which is this thing. You never want to have that off when you're talking, for this reason, or when you're recording vocals. That's why. Now, see, it's a big difference. The reason why you want to have it on when you're recording vocals is that, and the reason why you want to have it off when you're recording guitar is the exact same reason, but the opposite. You don't want to not record that. You want to record everything, and all that the pop filter is going to do is reduce the amount of guitar you get, and it's, once again, same reason why you don't use a dynamic mic. It's just not going to have, it's going to have a narrower, softer, emptier sound to it, and it's just not going to be as good. Here, let me just give you a little demonstration. Another thing is you want to have the preamp reasonably high. I'd say about 3/4 of the way up. And you want to have, because the reason why is you want to be able to have the mic far enough away that you won't hit it with your hand when you're strumming, because that will it'll record a big pop, like and you don't want that. So here. Once again, I'm not the greatest guitarist, but that's just basically, there you go. Also, I would even suggest maybe putting the volume a little bit louder. So good luck with that.